This is solution 2 of problem 25 from the 2024 AMC 12A. So here, if it's symmetric along about the line y equals x, implies that y is equal to the inverse of y. So then we have two cases. Case 1, where c is 0. If c is 0, then y is equal to a over dx plus b over d. And then we have the inverse of y is equal to d over ax minus b over a. So then, from this case, we have a over d is d over a, and b over d is equal to negative b over a. Or no, yeah. Then goes our second case, case 2, where c is not equal to 0. We get y as the inverse is equal to b minus dx over cx minus a. This becomes cx minus a times negative d over c plus b minus a d over c all over cx minus a. This simply simplifies to negative d over c plus b minus ad over c over cx minus a. Now, the normal function, y, would be equal to cx plus d times a over c plus b minus ad over c over cx plus d. This gives us a over c plus b minus ad over c all over cx plus d. From these two equations, we get that a over c is negative d over c, or simply, when you cancel out the c's on the denominator, a equals negative d, and that bc minus ad is not equal to 0. Now we have 3 smaller cases to evaluate. Now, case 1, where c is 0, b is not equal to 0, and d is not equal to 0. And therefore a plus d is 0. So here we have 10 choices and for c and d, but there's 10 values for a too. So 10 times 10 is 100. So there's 100 cases for this one. Now on to number 2, we get c is 0, b is 0, and d is not equal to 0. So therefore a squared is going to be equal to d squared. Well, now we only have 2 and 10 values, so this would be 10 times 2, or 20. Now on to the third case, case 3, where c is going to be equal to 0, bc minus ad is equal to 0, and we get that a is equal to negative d. Well, for a being 0 in this case, we get that we have 10 times 10 or 100 values. If a is positive negative 1, then this would be 11 times 10 minus 2 times 2 is 216. A is positive negative 2. This is the same equation here. Positive negative 2 still has this many ways, so I'm just going to write 216. A is plus negative 3, still 216. Now a is plus negative 4. This is when things kind of change. This would be 10, it doesn't matter, but 11 times 10 minus 6 times 2 is 208. and then A equals plus minus 5. That's just back to normal, 216. So when you sum all of these values up from the third case, we get 1172. So our total sum is 1172 plus 20 plus 100 gives us our answer of 1292, and we are done.